see or see more of, let us know. My card's up here. Will, your card's up here too.
I don't have my cards out.
Well, you got the ODO cards up there.
But I'm putting the contact information up there.
Okay. Well, you got the ODO cards up there.
Yeah, I do. And you can get me through the ODO side.
So just contact us. We're easy to get along with. Some of us are more laid back than others.
Yeah. I'm not from.
Is there a really good example or tutorial that says for module development to use CodeSmith and step by step and create a module?
Yeah, Michael
Washington's
Yeah,
pretty good
Michael
too.
Washington's site
I want to check Michael's site.
is probably as good as you're going to get right now. I suspect that I'm like Stan. I haven't seen Mitch Seller's book, but his outline looks awesome.
Mitch Seller's going to be at the ODO in June too. Oh, I keep forgetting to plug him. Oh, I'm glad stream's on. Yeah, Mitch Seller actually, he's so we got Chris Hammond coming next month, and then we got, after that, we got Tom Crack. He's actually, I said he's the SEO guy, but he also is the user group leader for the Connecticut user group. And then, so that's April, so it's May is when Mitchell Sellers is coming. So, and then in June, this is actually confirmed, but I haven't advertised it yet at all. Who knows anything about active modules? Anybody been to activemodules.com? One. All right, they're actually one of the premier vendors in .NETNuke. Well, I shouldn't say premier, but they're one of the more.
They've been around for a long time.
Been around for a long time. Very talented. They know their stuff. And they got some very high quality modules that are very usable. That's important. And they got like the active forums and stuff like that. They just released Active Social, which is a whole bunch of social networking modules. And the person that runs that's called, his name's Will Morganway, and he'll be here in June. That's the June. Well, not here. ODO. So that's another one to look forward to. So we got some really big names this year to come down and talk to us, and so I don't know how it happened.
It's cold everywhere else.
Yeah.
I get a free beer.
That's true.
Not in June.
Not in June.
I'm gonna have a hard time with the summer months.
What about actually, you gonna have any plans on having Kelly or anybody?
You know, I've been talking to him recently. That's a possibility. I guess this is how I do it. I befriend them. Hey man, you should come down sometime. Actually, something that I wasn't able to make happen is anybody active in the DotNetNuke forums at all? Okay, no. Well, there's a guy by the name of Eric. Do you know his last name? He's like from Norway or something like that. Eric von Bamble something. He was actually in Orlando this last week, but I couldn't talk him into coming to ODOG even for a visit because he would have got in trouble. It was supposed to be a vacation. So, unfortunately.
You must be married.
He could have written off the vacation. Well, maybe their tax laws are different.
How about Teller? Have you ever gotten them to come and do a demo?
Well, the interesting thing about Telleric is they give away some of their modules every month.
Yeah, we actually, they're a sponsor of ours.
Yeah.
And they have a, it's not a competing CMS, but they have their own CMS.
Great.
I think they might feel that's a conflict of interest. They'd love for us to use the tools, but I don't think they'll come down and present. At least that's the feeling I get from them. So, but yeah, those are the
Because they're always fun to talk to at the trade shows, but.
He's ready to go.
I'm sure you guys.
Well, I'll be here for at least a little bit, in the very least to pack up. So if you want to talk.